So hello, we have this question. We have been told that if A is equals to 2.3, B is equals to 8.7, and C is equals to 2.0, find the percentage error in A plus B divided by C. Now, these are measurements. We need to get the limits of these measurements first. But before you get the limits, you need to get the error in each measurement. How you get the error in each measurement? You say error is this unit of measurement you divide by 2. All of them have been measured to 1 decimal place, meaning the least unit of measurement is going to be 0.1. So after getting the least unit of measurement, you divide by 2 to get the error in that measurement. So this one will be 0.05. That is the error in these 3 measurements. After getting the error, you need to get the limits now. How do you get the limits? You have the lower limits and the upper limits. To get the lower limit, you subtract this one from these measurements. I'm going to have, for A is going to be 2.25. That is the lower limit. Then you have the measurement, which is 2.3. Then the upper limit is going to be 2.35. If you come to this one, if you subtract to get the lower limit, you're going to get it is 8.65. Then we have 8.7 as the measurement. Then the upper limit is going to be 8.7. For if we just add this one to get the upper limit. When you come to this one here, you're going to have the least unit of measurement is going to be 1.95. Then we have 2.0. Then the upper limit is going to be 2.05. So these are the limits, the lower limits and the upper limits. After getting these limits now, we can get the maximum value of this one. So we have maximum value. So how do you get the maximum value? To get the maximum value of this one, we take the maximum value of A plus the maximum value of B. We divide by the minimum value of C so that we can get the maximum value. So what I'm saying is this. You take 2.35 plus 8.75. Then we divide by 1.95. If you do that one, you're going to get the maximum value of A plus B divided by C. Now, when you do that one, you're supposed to get it is 5.6923. Now, to get the minimum value of A plus B divided by C, you take the minimum value of B plus the minimum value of A plus the minimum value of B. Then you divide by the maximum value of C. So this one is going to give us 2.25 plus 8.65. We divide by the maximum value, which is 2.05. So when you do this one, you're supposed to get, from your calculator, you're supposed to get, it is 5.3171. Now the actual value is, you just take this one the way they are. So A is 2.3 plus B, which is 8.7. We divide by 2.0. So this one will give us 5.5. So that is the maximum value, the minimum value, and the actual value. Now we need to get the absolute error. We say absolute error is maximum value minus minimum, we divide by 2. So we're going to say absolute error will be maximum value, which is 5.6923, minus the minimum value, which is 5.3171. You divide by 2, it's going to give you the absolute error. So this one, again from your calculator, you're supposed to get it is 0.1876 as your absolute error. After getting the absolute error, now you can get the percentage error. We say that percentage error is simply the absolute error, then you divide by the actual value, then you multiply by 100. This is the formula that you use. So when you come here and I'm going to say percentage error will be the absolute, which is 0.1876. I divide by the actual measurement or the actual value, this one here, which is 5.5, then I multiply by 100. So that is how you get the absolute error. When you do this one, again, if you punch these values in your calculator, you're supposed to get it is 3.411%. And that is how you tackle that question. Thank you for watching.